fixing me with your magic stare, and that's taking me elsewhere.
What's going on, B-Risers? Hope you're doing fabulous. Today's video is what I eat to heal ovarian cysts, endometriosis, skin issues, and I know there's a lot of newbies coming this way, so I want to welcome you, and I'm so happy you're here. I hope these videos help you out. I'm going to show you what has helped me heal ovarian cysts and really pull on the lymphatic system. And one way is light exercise. So I just finished coming back from a bike ride through the park, through the trails. It's gorgeous out. I actually think I'm going to go back out there because the smell of the leaves, the fresh air, the oxygen going through me is really nice. So I'm going to take you guys again, and I'm going to show you guys first what the fuel I'm going to be putting in my body today. And the lymphatic system, some may not know about it, but there's two fluids of the body, two main fluids, and that's your blood and your lymph. And so the lymph is really our sewer system, and if it backs up, we can get a number of health issues. So we really want to work on the pumping the lymphatic system and pull in some of these toxins and acids out of the body. First thing that I like to do, you guys know. So I have actually some hot lemon water tea. So I just really boil some water, squeeze some lemon in there. Also add just a little bit of honey. And this is really good, you guys, especially for flus and colds. It's really good at cleansing out the body. That lemon, high vitamin C. When we're looking at healing any disease, we're looking at increasing vitamin C, as well as lots of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's about bringing in some herbs. So what I really love is Dr. Morse Heal All Tea. And I love this Heal All Tea because it has a number of herbs in there, and it's not too expensive. And I feel like it's great because you're getting a variety of herbs, such as burdock, which I actually see going through the park and the trails. So I actually could start making my own herbal tea, which I think I will do. But this, you know, just for convenience, it has plantain, which has a real good pull on the lymphatic system, marshmallow root, comfrey leaf, so really good herbs in there to work on kidneys and adrenal glands and really the whole body. And what I also got here is some orange grapefruit juice, high in vitamin C, and we're talking about hydrating the body, especially after a workout. I like to drink this citrus drink with a straw, but if you are having some teeth issues, we're going to talk about that in a future video. It's really about alkalizing the mouth, and you want to make sure that your oranges and your grapefruit aren't too acidic. This herbal tea is really good at alkalizing the mouth. So we'll talk about that, but we're going to enjoy this juice, and then I'm going to show you guys the next meal I'm making, so stay tuned. So next I'm making my own protein smoothie. We have the usual kale charred spinach, so I put that in the blender, as well as mixed berries, high in antioxidants. I got some frozen green peas, high in protein and iron, as well as spirulina, alfalfa powder, hemp seed, and some amla powder, which is high antioxidant berry. And then I just put in some almond milk, water, blend it up, and I'm fueled. I love the smoothies because I can take them on the go and just respond to any urgent emails. And I wanted to point out actually a comment I got from one of you beautiful bees out there, Brittany Supernell. Love your comments, and I'm sharing your comment because it's so true. And what it says here is, following you, I found major improvements in my ovarian cysts. It takes time, but I know with consistency it will shrink. Yes, consistency is what it's all about, you guys. It's all about what fuel you're putting in your body every single day. And really, it's about elimination and eliminating those acidic foods, the very mucus forming foods like your dairy, your processed foods, your junk foods, the soy isolates, and really doing some maybe short detoxes and then eating whole foods from nature. And when you do this day in and day out, you're gonna really kickstart your lymphatic system, and that's really your immune system. So I love your comments, you guys. Keep them rolling. I love you guys helping each other out too in the comment section down below. We're gonna go out and have some fun. Cheers.
I get misty just holding your hand. Walk my way.
Alright guys, so that was a super fun bike ride. Now I'm just eating these 2 bananas, so fueling back up. And I also made these delicious raw pumpkin balls. And so with working out, and still trying to detox, the nuts are going to slow down detox a little bit. But I don't eat nuts all the time, but I do sometimes, and I like to have some nice treats once in a while. So these are perfect. And they're so good. And if you have like a sweet craving, that's where I love fruit, or changing it up with these pumpkin balls. They're really good. So I'll share that recipe right now. Alright guys, it's on to dinner. So I'm making a really easy Buddha bowl. I got this spiralizer here, so we're spiralizing some zucchini noodles, and I love this spiralizer. It's a nice way to get in a lot of raw veggies, and it comes with different blades so you can make really neat looking vegetables. Alright guys, so here is the raw Buddha bowl. We have the zucchini Alfredo noodles, which is in my ebook, and it's really, really easy to make. It's super delicious. Let's try it. Super, super healthy. And we also have some hummus, which I like to actually just dip some of these veggies in the hummus. And I may add just a bit of salt and pepper on the tomatoes, and the meal is complete. So thanks so much for watching. I hope this video gives you some healthy ideas, and it's just about getting more fruits and vegetables into your day, and that's really going to help your lymphatic system, your immune system, eliminate toxins and mucus. We'll see you guys in the next video. As always, be alkaline, be your beautiful selves, and be getting in some nature today. Cheers.